All right. So I want to make a quick video here. I've been busy with finals and stuff, so haven't been able to post to be honest for like a week or two. But I want to make a post about this Reddit post I saw that it caught my attention. It was like I'm gonna read it out for you guys. And pretty much what happened was, let me see, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Pretty much talk about motivation and stuff. And I thought it was a interesting one. And it's like, is liking the way a language sounds or looks enough uh, to keep motivation in learning it? So he's talking about how it sounds or how it looks, like the aesthetics. And is that enough to keep learning the language? And there was a few comments that I liked. One of them was, nobody can gatekeep you learning a language. You don't even need a reason, which is actually true. You don't really need a reason. If you just do it to do it, and I guess do it. But for me, I like learning languages, so it's a huge passion of mine. So that's why I keep studying and staying disciplined. Even with finals and stuff, I'm still able to put a little bit of time to language learning a day. So, and another part was another a person commented, it's always part of what gets me started, but I wouldn't say aesthetics alone are enough to keep me studying through to a high level. And I think that's very true for me, and it will be true for me. I'm doing Chinese now. It's not, I'm not doing it just because the way it sounds. I'm doing it because there's like a few reasons, to be honest. First is definitely I like the way it sounds, definitely. But I like, there's a few Chinese people here around me, so that motivation to keep studying and seeing how they talk, and I can't understand. It just keeps me motivated to like get better and trying to have conversations with them. I have a professor that's also Chinese, and I go to him like not for like what we're doing for like languages, and he's happy to do it, and I talk to him for like 20-30 minutes. I don't want to take up too much of his time. I remember one time just to I knocked on his door. He was in his office, and I knocked on his door, and it was dark, and the screen was like really bright. I knocked on it. I said, and he jumped. He jumped, and he shut he put the lights on, and I was like, "What's going on in there?" That was funny. I still remember that to this day. But yeah, it was kind of it was cringe. But yeah, so I do that to keep studying. Also, I'm learning Chinese because you know it's just I like the movies, the martial arts movies as well. Watching that and being able to learn the language and being able to understand what's going on when they're speaking, doing the fight scenes. I like that too. It's big. So there's a few reasons why I like to want to learn languages, and also well another big one is because of Lao Shu. Lao Shu 55,000. Rest in peace. Watching his videos of how he was surprising the foreigners by speaking their language and making them like feel at home and surprising them, like those reactions. I want to do the same, so now I'm doing it. I'm trying to follow his footsteps too. But so I think there has to be a few reasons. I don't think for my opinion, I don't think it's enough just to learn a language because of the way it looks or the aesthetics. It's a little I will say this though. I think learning a language by the way it sounds or looks could work to reach like a beginner, or maybe like a high beginner level, or maybe a low intermediate. But if you want to get to a high level, be you gotta have really good reasons and multiple reasons, in my opinion, if you want to reach a high level. So, that's what I think. It was an interesting question that caught my attention, so I wanted to speak about it. I wonder if you guys, what are your reasons for learning languages? If you're learning any language, that is. Well, I'd like to know your reasons because a lot of people they learn a language because of work, and that could be a good reason, making money, and that could be a good motivation to keep going with the language and reach a good level. And other people, they do it because like me, because they like learning languages, or they do it because maybe their spouse speaks that language and he wants to communicate with their family, in-laws. So that could be another reason. Love. So it's definitely a few reasons. But yeah, man, that's for today's video. I wanted to talk about that for a little bit, and yeah, I hope you guys take care.